Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. We're getting ready to install the mandalas, and the first step was to place them on the wall and make the decisions about where the colors went. We knew that we were going to try to space them fairly evenly, but in a random type way, and try to put no two colors next to each other. That didn't quite work out, but it's close enough. And now we have also lined up the screw holes with the grout joints, and we're tracing with chalk around the outside of each one so that we know the exact placement. We add a skim coat of thinset behind each one of these templates, and that's why we're tracing with chalk, so we know where to put the skim coat. Ended up mixing 3 smallish batches of the thinset by hand. We also used the templates to mark where the drill holes would be so they would line up with the Wedi washers that we put on the substrates. Then we used a notch trowel to spread the thinset on the back of the substrates. Julie has the, I think it's I used epoxy sculpt to cover the screw holes and adhere the last pieces, which were actually pre-cut ahead of time. Dun, 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 dun. Yesterday we finished installing these mandalas, and it took much less time than I thought, so that was great. I already put the pieces on to cover the screw holes, and today I'm just back to grout those areas. I used epoxy to adhere those last few pieces, so it's set up rather quickly, and now it's going to be quick today because I just have to grout those little areas. That's it.
you make all this?
It was a community project. I just designed them and then coordinated it. This is to one of your classes. It was a free thing that we did on weekends. Quick and easy. So now the very last step is I'm going to go through and give them a cleaning. Even the ones from last year, they're spotted from rainwater and they've been out in the elements all year, so they just need a good cleaning. We drilled into these grout lines and there was some dust that came up in the air yesterday too, so I kind of want to make sure that all that is cleaned off of them. And then I'll be done for real. Yay! That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.